Y'all, I just got a package from Wicked Cushions. They do customized cushions and accessories for headsets. And I have a SteelSeries Arctis Pro, and I ordered some stuff for it. So let's open it. So first I got these new ear covers. They're retro 90s looking. They're also cooling and squishy. Squish, 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 squish. And the next thing I got is the plate covers that are the same design. There we go. It's also, they're magnetic. They look like this. And instead of the SteelSeries logo, it has the WC Wicked Cushions. Pretty neat. And then the last thing I got was this strap that also goes on my headphones. And it also matches. And it's silicone. I think the one I have now is like a fabric. This one's like silicone. So before I install stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and go here and watch the video on how to put on the headphones because I don't want to break my really expensive headset. Okay, so in the video, I already took one off. In the video, he says you're going to use a butter knife, which I have, and you're going to put it here in this gap in the headset and gently pry the cushion off till it clicks. Like that. And you're just going to kind of work your way around. Like that. And then it comes off. And you can see what the insides look like. Alright. So it looks like they go like this. Okay, I got it on. So now I'm going to put on the other one. Maybe. There we go. I'm just gonna push them until they click. Just like that. Alright, so now the plates are really easy. We're just gonna take the old plates off and put the new plate on. And it's magnetized, so it should just go right to where the magnet is. So now I'll do this side. I'll take this off. That's where the battery stows away. And then we just put the plate on. It'll magnetize to the right position. The strap, we're just gonna unhook it on these little bumps here. And I don't really think there's a right way or a wrong way for this. So, good thing I don't really care about how my nails look right now. Okay. And that's it. So now I have a fully customized set of SteelSeries Arctis Pros. Thanks to Wicked Cushions. Also, just for clarification, this is not sponsored. I bought this stuff with my own money. My boyfriend found them and he loves them, so I decided to customize my headset too. So, check them out. They're really cool. And yeah, they're a small business. So, woohoo! Okay, bye.